The summer is coming to an end, and we're breaking off things. We got a couple of the bean plants that are dead lying here on the ground. A couple of them are still in here, which we'll probably do out quite soon. And now we've planted some garlic over here, garlic over here, a onion over here, and some lettuce over here. Which we'll probably do also on the other side, but not yet. Of course, we got like the nice strawberry patch over here. There's some strawberries hanging on it. Mint, another patch. Like they won't die, they will still last, right? But they will not give strawberries till next year. We got thyme, which is probably dead. We got mint, and we got another like half alive lettuce plant over there. And like over here we got the other ones. If we go down to the grass over here, we actually see that I got quite big pumpkins. Probably like the biggest pumpkins are coming out now. We're gonna have a look at it closely. So this is the biggest pumpkin so far. And it's actually like, if you see, bro, it's like huge. Over here we actually got some beans that are ready to give. You see over here, we haven't harvested any of them, but we could probably harvest like this one or something. Like, oh, this one is big. With this beautiful like flowers in it. We got like the purple beans. They're also starting to become pretty damn big. Ah, this one's kind of dead. Alright. These red beans, there are no beans yet on it, so I can't show it, but they're gonna become pretty tasty, like red. You eat like the round thingies of them, like in tomato soup or something with like tomato sauce, like sauce on it. And over here we got the nice carrots, nice humble carrots, just lying over here. They're actually pretty nice. Over there we got another plant, which is actually coming out now. Potatoes. Here's some potatoes, like potato leaves thingies. And over here are some alive ones. So this is like an alive potato plant, like just barely alive. Over here is the sweet potato. You see that vine, right? The sweet potato. And over there are some, like, couple of potato plants, like 4 that are, that are able to give right there. You see these papery like lines? Yeah, these are ready to give potatoes to like get harvested up from the ground actually. And here's a little small pumpkin, which basically just looks like that ball, which is pretty funny. But yeah, that's the garden now. We're making changes to move to the fall garden. That's why we planted garlic, and that's why we planted some lettuce again. And that's why we have bought a, what do you call it, like blueberry patch, which we'll give next summer. I think maybe spring or fall, I have actually no clue. And this, we've brought into the room. This plant has this, what do you call it, like raspberry patch. Yeah, we've broadened the room. Now he has like a very big pot. Let's use it in. And yeah, that's everything we already have done to moving towards the fall garden, making all the changes, and the pumpkins are gonna die off soon, and then the fall can really start happening. But yeah, that's all I got for now. Hopefully I will make a couple of videos soon about planting lettuce or planting garlic, but that's not for now. Bye.